So I'm here with Sideshow at Sideshow Cycles, and we're going to do an install video of our Trendsetter chin spoiler. Sideshow is going to do the install, but they come where you can use them with or without the crash bar.
First thing you do when you get this is you got to test fit it. So while it's raw, I've had mine test fitted and painted already. While it's raw, you fit it to the bike. It goes on pretty easy. You get this bracket, you'll get these two bolts and a nut for the top bolt. What we do is install this screen in the back, and it just takes four screws. You'll drill tiny little holes and then tighten these screws in, and then that's installing your screen in the front. The next step is to install this bracket. Once you remove the stock plastic cover, it just pops off super easy. It's got two little rubbers down there. Don't be afraid to pull on it. You're not using it anyway. These are the two bolts that are in your bike factory, and they come out of the bracket that's actually holding this on. So you'll take these. I use a little blue on them. I'll just put a dot of blue on there. This is the bracket from Dirty Bird. This goes right up into the stock holes. Super simple. And that's it. That's the only bracket you need to install. Super simple.
So now that Sideshow has the bracket installed under here, it's easier if you turn the wheel. The raked bikes don't really matter because you have so much room between the wheel and but the stock bikes, you turn the wheel and this chin spoiler will slide right in there.
So you're gonna locate that top hole, and it pretty much holds itself right in there to the top hole.
I'm the holder.
Watch your brake line, and it slides right in. So now you take your bolt, come in the bottom there. I must say, this is one of the best fitting parts that Dirty Bird offers.
I didn't pay him to say that.
No, this thing fits so perfect. I mean, even when I got it, it just went right on.
And obviously, if you're gonna not use the crash bar, you'll have to remove the crash bar first. And the chin spoiler comes up higher, up here.
So then these bolts go in. Okay, so one of the things that makes it easier to get to this top bolt, this top nut where you're gonna put this on, is this top stabilizer. You just remove this 3/16 bolt right here. It's a 9/16 wrench, and then push this stabilizer back out of your way, and then you'll be able to get this nut up into the top. Well, it's got an oil hose in the way, which is, pretty tight in there, but with that out of the way, it's super easy to get this on. So one of the things I like to use is a wobbly socket. It's a 1/4 bolt, so you don't have to go crazy. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your red Loctite on your factory bolt, put it back into the stabilizer, and then torque that to factory specs. All right, man, now you're on your way. You're ready to rock.
So now you know how to install our Trendsetter chin spoiler. I gotta thank Sideshow from Sideshow Cycles. Help me out with this video.
You know what? Pretty simple deal. It fits awesome, and you can tell by the way it looks. I love it.
Yeah, check out our YouTube channel. We're gonna try to do every different chin spoiler. They're all a little bit different, but they're similar. Thank you again, Sideshow.
Have a great day.